Nandito na pala kayo, charot. Ayan, so hi guys, I am Concepcion of tellemaywhy.com and welcome back to my channel. And for this video guys, we are going to recreate Nadine Lustre's makeup look here, specifically the eyebrows. Okay, so actually, we are going to unbox this PR kit from Strokes Beauty Lab. For this look, I'm actually going to follow Jelly Eugenio's tutorial. Siya yung makeup artist ni Nadine Lustre. Okay, if you guys wanna learn how to make this look, keep on watching until the end because I'm also going to say which ones are my top 3 favorites. So without further ado, let's get on with this video. Okay guys, so tapos na tayo sa ating base makeup with the eyeshadow, eyeliner, everything. Basically everything. Hindi ko na lang shoot kasi magfo-focus tayo sa ating Nadine eyebrows. Ayan, so comment na lang down below if you guys want me to upload this Nadine makeup tutorial. So without further ado, let's get on with this video. So this is the PR kit ng ating Strokes Brow Artist Collection. So ang ganda! Refreshing na pagka-mint green. Tapos meron siyang gold embossed lettering here. A stroke of confidence to put you in your element. 2 cards. So one is a postcard. Ang cute. And then the other one is actually parang yung description ng mga items. And then we have here a cute pouch. Ang cute ng mga boxes nila. And for each kind, magkakaiba yung mga color sa kanyang gilid. So let's start off with our Strokes Beauty Lab Brow Sculptor Duo. So ito naman yung itsura niya kanyang box. Sa side, may nakasulat na I am beautiful. So the Sculptor Duo has 4 shades. My shade here is deep brown. Ayan. Ito naman yung itsura ng kanyang pencil. Okay, so in one end, meron tayong spoolie. And then sa other end, yung mismong pencil. So it's a micro-fine pencil, 1.44 mm in diameter. And it's a combination of brow, pencil, and wax na, no? So, kaya naging waterproof rin siya sa ating eyebrows. Perfect na perfect yan kasi minsan nagpapawis din talaga yung ating mga kilay. By the way guys, kung hindi nyo pa alam ang Strokes Beauty Lab, meron talaga silang eyebrow studio wherein they do microblading. And ayan, nag-branch out sila. So created by Momay Supe, Strokes Brow Lab sets out to be the standard, the peak, and the ultimate game changer in the eyebrow industry. So actually, pwede mo na gawin yung microbladed look with this pencil pa lang. Kaso yeah, more on pang shading din talaga itong pencil na to. I'm following Jelly Eugenio's tutorial. Most likely yun din yung usual na ginagawa niya kay Nadine. Let's go! Okay, kinakabahan ako. Okay, so I saw that he shaded the middle part of the eyebrow hanggang sa dulo para magkaroon siya ng shape and para ma-fill na siya.
Yeah, 10 o'clock, feeling for the guap. I be beaming, losing balance.
Oh my gosh! Ito pa lang yung ginagamit natin guys, kaso natutuwa na kaagad ako. Oh my gosh, nafe-feel ko na yung Nadine Lustre vibes. Wap, wap, wap. Okay, so with any brow pencil guys, I usually have a lighter hand, lalo na kung bago ko lang siyang susubukan. Kasi hindi pa ako sure kung gaano siya ka-pigmented. So actually, I'm using a very, very, very light hand now. Baka kasi it's always nicer to make dagdag kaysa sa masobrahan ka agad. Super light hand ako now. And ayan, kumakagat ka agad talaga yung pigmentation ng brow pencil na to. Next, I'm going to go ahead with their Brow Painter Sheer Brow Shading Pen. So, on the side, it has a design, I am happy. So, yun din nakasulat sa pencil na to. Ooh, so, eto, naririnig ko meron siya siguro yung parang metal ball inside. Kasi it's liquid. Para hindi tumigas kagad yung liquid sa loob. So, this one naman, you can make ultra fine, actually micro fine hair-like strokes na naman. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Guys, tingnan nyo. Ang nipis. Lighter compared sa pencil tingnan. So, you can make it as thick as you want or as thin as you want. Kasi, ayan, parang water brush or watercolor brush. Yung smudge proof, ayan. And it's long wearing din sa ating eyebrows. Again, perfect because madalas napapawisan din yung ating area. Okay, so following Jelly's tutorial, he just filled in the brows of the model using the brow painter. We'll make upward strokes following the growth of our natural eyebrows. Ayan, so nakikita ninyo mas translucent tingnan or yung dating ng ating brow painter kasi it is liquid. So perfect na perfect siya dito sa mga bandang start ng eyebrows kasi you don't want those parts to be too strong. By the way, the brow paint only has one shade, which is ash brown. Next, we're going to use the brow Colorist brow tinting and grooming pomade so that we can add a little more depth sa ating eyebrows. Ayan, so magkakaroon siya ng konting mga tint sa ating mga hairs. It has 3 colors. This one is in the shade neutral brown. They also have a coal black and lucid white. This one naman has I am important on the sides. So, ayan, liquid din siya, guys. It has a spoolie na very thick. She thick. Okay, so oh my gosh, bigla ako nagutom. Parang mukha siyang melted chocolate yung dating niya. Following Jelly's tutorial again, we're going to apply it na sa ating hair. Okay, so kinakabahan ako. Kaso I trust the process. Trust the process. Para ma-achieve yung parang model look, guys. Yung nakataas yung mga hairs. Kendall Jenner, who? So actually, medyo nahirapan ako malagay yung product sa aking mismong hair. Hindi ko alam kung dahil ba ayan, mahaba kasi yung spoolie. Meron siyang flatter or thinner side, guys. Ito, ayan, flat dito, tapos dito pa curve. So, I think I'm supposed to apply with this side, tapos ibabrush ko siya with this curved side. Yun naman pala, tele. Ayan, mas madaling i-apply na yung mismong product with the flatter side, guys. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! She thick! Brooke Shields! Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh! Nasa step 3 pa lang tayo. May dalawa pang steps. Kaso I am already in love with my eyebrows. Now, nandito na tayo sa kanilang piece de resistance. Yung kanilang Microbladed Pen Perfector. So, ito naman is 0.4 in diameter. And ito yung makaka-achieve, no, thinnest hair-like strokes, no, para yung makikita ninyong microbladed look. It says here, nakasulat is, I am strong. Strong like the power ng inyong kilay. For the Pen Perfector, it has 2 shades, graphite and bronzite. So, I have here graphite. Again, meron ulit siya ng parang metal ball inside because it is liquid para hindi siya tumigas. Okay, so let's try it out. Medyo nanginginig yung left hand ko. Nagugutom na ako,
I love someone like I love me, but I have to wait a little.
Kaya siyang cute ng bago kong mirror, guys, from Shopee. So, baka mag-Shopee haul ako soon ng mga home decor.
Okay. I would tell you everything I believed in.
Siyempre, hinawakan ko rin, ano, para mas lumapit sa inyo.
So I did my best to feel what you're feeling.
Wow, oh my gosh, nakikita nyo ba? Ayan, yung mga drawing natin na mga hair-like strokes. Ayan, oh, so nag-blend na siya sa aking hair. Hindi niya na alam kung ano ba yung hair sa hindi. Walang spoolie yung Brow Perfector. I'm using the Sculptor. And then last but certainly not the least is their Brow Fixer, Brow Shaping and Fixing Gel. So this one has the design, I am enough. Truly, kasi minsan kahit fixing gel lang, okay na siya for that natural bushy look. So this one naman comes in clear. Last step, let's fix our brows. Set it in place. Double-sided din siya, guys. Ayan. So, may flat and curved side siya. So, ito na yung naging final look ng ating Nadine Lustre inspired eyebrows. So, I followed again her makeup artist, si Jelly Eugenio. So, ano ang masasabi ko kay Strokes Beauty Lab? Oh my gosh, 5 out of 5. Ang ganda ng mga products nila. As in, to be honest, I was a bit skeptical kasi parang wala lang, baka hype lang ba ito? Kaso, guys, there is quality behind the hype. Okay, so, price point, okay, so lahat ng items nila are under 500 pesos. For me, ang favorites ko naman are, eto, yung brow painter, the sculptor, and the perfector. For me, ito yung top 3 must-haves ko. As in, feel ko ma-achieve ko na rin yung perfect brow look ko. Kaso again, if you want to achieve this full and thick eyebrows, why not? Ano? Para maka-Nadine Lustre feels din tayo. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys still haven't yet, please click that red button down below, hit subscribe, and that bell notification para lagi kayo notified every time I upload a new video. Check out my website, tellemaywhy.com. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok are all under the usernames tellemaywhy. And I'll see you guys again next time. Bye! Tell me why ain't nothing but a heartbreak. Tell me why.